We've created our JSP Recruiters database. Now, so you need to remember that a database describes a collection of data that's organized in a manner that allows access, retrieval, and use of that data. So our database has some tables, and we need to create the information that goes inside those tables. And when you first open up your database, you might get this security warning sign. This just means, as it says, that certain content in the database has been disabled. You need to click on the Options button, and on the Security Alert, enable this content. This just helps protect you from unknown content in case you don't know who's been using your database, so you can protect your database and your computer. But since you know who's been using this database, it's okay. Enable the content, click OK. That little box goes away, and over here in our navigation pane, you can see where it says All Tables. If we click on this arrow button, we can see we have different views that we can have. You can do it by objects if you have like your reports. Want to make sure that it's the table and related views. We are now going to create our table. So we have table 1, table. Over here are our fields. And you can see we have an ID field. We're going to add some new fields. Now each column in a database is a field. Each row is a record. You want to make sure the information in your fields aren't duplicated in any other field in that table. So in this case, when we're working in our textbook, I'm on page AC24, we're going to define the fields in this table for our JS Recruiters database. First, we're going to click in where it says Add New Field. We're going to right-click, then go down to the bottom of this toolbar where it says Rename Column. Click on Rename Column, and our first field we're going to call Client Number. After you get it typed in, you're going to press the down arrow key to complete the addition of this field. So when you hit your right arrow key, see that now becomes a field, and now we have Add New Field next to it. To add our next field, right-click, come down to Rename Column. Our next field is called Client Name. Hit the down arrow key to complete that field name. You're going to follow the same techniques to add our fields from up to and including the amount paid field. We'll start with the amount paid field at the next video.